Finding the right mechanical keyboard can make or break your gaming experience. With so many options vying for your attention, it's easy to make the wrong choice and end up with a keyboard that doesn't meet your needs. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 mechanical keyboards of 2026, highlighting their unique features and helping you make an informed decision. Stick around, as our number 1 pick might surprise you with its amazing value and performance. Remember, links in the description below for current prices, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Logitech G213 Prodigy Gaming Keyboard. The Logitech G213 Prodigy Gaming Keyboard is perfect for gamers looking for a reliable and durable option without breaking the bank. This keyboard features customizable RGB lighting and dedicated media controls, allowing you to tailor your gaming setup to suit your style. Its comfortable, spill-resistant design ensures that even the most intense gaming sessions won't lead to any accidents. The G213's key response is crisp and tactile, providing an immersive typing experience. However, while it excels in features, some users may find its plastic build less premium compared to higher-end models. AULA F75 75% Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The AULA F75 75% wireless mechanical keyboard is ideal for those who value portability and a compact setup. This keyboard combines a sleek design with responsive mechanical switches, making it a fantastic choice for both gaming and typing. Its wireless functionality offers the convenience of a clutter-free workspace, while the customizable RGB backlighting allows for personalization. The built-in rechargeable battery provides extended usage time. However, due to its smaller layout, some users may miss the function keys that are typically found on full-sized keyboards, making it a bit of an adjustment. Razer BlackWidow V4X Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Yellow. The Razer BlackWidow V4X Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Yellow is crafted for gamers who prioritize speed and accuracy. Equipped with Razer's yellow mechanical switches, this keyboard provides a silent yet responsive typing experience, making it suitable for both late-night gaming and work. The customizable chroma RGB lighting enhances your setup, providing an atmospheric experience while playing or streaming. With dedicated media controls, you can easily manage your audio without disrupting your gameplay. However, its premium price might deter budget-conscious gamers, even though the features justify the cost. ASUS ROG Strix Scope 2. Taking the top spot is the ASUS ROG Strix Scope 2, a fantastic mechanical keyboard that blends performance with versatility. Designed specifically for gamers, it features a robust aluminum frame and customizable RGB lighting to create an immersive gaming atmosphere. The Scope has a unique form factor that includes a wider spacebar, making it easier to execute critical commands. The responsive switches provide a great tactile feel, making both gaming and typing a joy. While the price is on the higher side, the exceptional build quality and performance truly deliver value for serious gamers and content creators alike. So there you have it. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive player, each of these keyboards offers distinct advantages that can enhance your gaming experience. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices on these amazing products. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more detailed reviews and tech insights.